All right, so if you're using Grok AI just to write simple code snippets, yeah, you're barely scratching the surface. In this video, I'll show you how to use Grok for advanced coding tasks like a pro. First, quick idea. Grok can not only write code, it can debug, optimize, explain logic, and even help design full systems. Start with context. Don't just say write code. Explain your language, framework, and goal. Prompt, build a REST API using node.js and express with authentication and error handling. Next, break your project into smaller parts, like backend, front-end, database, and logic. This is powerful. Paste your error and ask Grok to debug it. Prompt, here's my error. Explain what's wrong and fix it step by step. You can also improve performance. Prompt, optimize this code for speed and readability and explain the changes. Instead of small snippets, ask for full features. Prompt, create a complete user authentication system with login, signup, and JWT. Ask Grok to think step by step. This improves accuracy for complex logic. Don't restart, refine, ask it to improve, simplify, or expand your code. You can also use it to learn. Ask it to explain code, concepts, or best practices. So yeah, once you use Grok like this, it becomes more than a coding tool. It becomes your development assistant. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, more